even though it's been a frustrating season for Ja'Marr Chase and the Cincinnati Bengals after losing to the Pittsburgh Steelers to drop them to 3-7 on the season, it ain't that much goddamn frustration in the world that's gonna make me mad enough to assault somebody, because spitting is technically assault, to the point where I'm about to lose damn near $500,000 and get suspended and lose that money. You know, if I'm gonna be assaulting somebody and losing this kind of money, I'm gonna go all out and assault them. I'm gonna go out and whoop some ass and really give you a reason to suspend me and have me losing $500K. But, you know, and to deny it or try to deny it when asked about it by the reporters, you know, Ja'Marr Chase, you got to understand, bro, the NFL is going to investigate this. It's all on social media. Every angle possible, they can clearly see you spitting. And Jalen Ramsey is out there. And as far as Jalen Ramsey, Ja'Marr Chase better be glad this situation didn't get chaotic and crazy and turn into one of the Myles Garrett, Mason Rudolph situations in which helmets come off and got swung and connected and really assaulted somebody and really got crazy.